What's up guys, today we're doing a little shutter install. You can see I've already got this one done. I've got 5 more to do. They're super simple. I'm going to break it down as to how I do it. Let's get into it. First of all, I don't think there's any specific area to place the shutter. I've seen them over a little where they show a little bit of brick. In this particular case, we just got it lined up right with that brick line. Now these are plastic shutters, or some people like to call them composite to make it sound a little bit higher end. But yeah, they're basically plastic, so they're super light, not really difficult to work with. I'm just going to line my shutter right up with the brick line. So once I have my shutter where I want it, my marking tool is my drill. Once I mark my holes, I drill it 2 inches deep to make sure my fastener will go all the way in. After you drilled your holes, you get your shutter, line it up, and put the fasteners in. You snap these into place to cover your fastener and the holes. Now this particular shutter has an option for you to just do the 2 horizontal ones, and it has these little things you can put right here to cover your holes. But as you can see over here, we went ahead and did all 3. That also gives me another opportunity to put 2 more fasteners in here just for extra support. Easy enough, really simple, anyone can do it. Now for a time lapse of me doing the rest of them. Before I get any further in this video, I just want to take a second to say thank you guys for watching. In the YouTube analytics on my channel and videos, it tells you the percentage of people who are not subscribed and who are subscribed who are watching. And there's been some videos, good percentages not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to like this video and comment something. Let's get back to it. This is it, got it done in a little under 2 hours. I know you guys saw me do it all, but I'm going to show you a little before and after pictures. I know this is a how-to video, and I really don't have a lot of how-tos. I don't want to be a how-to channel, but I saw an opportunity to do a how-to video, and these are super simple. This is actually only my 2nd time doing them, but they're that easy. I felt confident in explaining how I did it and how you could do it in a simple way. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.